In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display image when hovering over a cell in Excel. We're going to create a simple hover effect using a note, so when your mouse moves over a cell, an image pops up. This is great for product thumbnails, staff photos, or visual hints. No formulas or macros required. Start by right-clicking the cell where you want the hover image to appear. From the menu, choose New Note. Excel will place a small sticky note style box next to the cell. You can leave the default text, type a brief label, or delete the text entirely. What matters is the note itself, because that's what will turn into an image container. Next, move your cursor to the edge of the note until you see a four-sided arrow. Right-click the border of the note, not the text inside it. This selects the whole note object so we can change its appearance. From the menu that appears, choose Format Cells. Depending on your Excel version, this may appear as Format Comment or Format Shape. All of these lead to the formatting options we need. In the Formatting window, go to the Colors and Lines tab. In the Fill section, click Fill. Then click Fill Effects. We're switching the background of the note from a plain color to a picture. In the Fill Effects dialog, choose Picture. Then click the Picture button. Now select the image you want. You can browse to a file on your computer, or use the Bing option to search online. If you search online, make sure you have the rights to use the image and pick a clear, high-resolution picture so it looks good when scaled. After choosing your picture, click OK to insert it, and then click OK again to apply and close the formatting window. Your note should now display the picture as its background. Hover your mouse over the cell and you'll see the image appear. If it looks too small or stretched, click the cell to show the note, then drag the note's handles at the corners and sides to resize it until the image looks right. You can also drag the note to reposition it so it doesn't cover important data. A few tips before we wrap up. If the image appears distorted, try adjusting the note's shape to better match your picture's proportions. Consistent image sizes will give you a more polished look. If you want the same hover image on multiple cells, copy the cell with the note and paste it where needed, then edit the note's image if you need a different picture. And that's it. An easy, effective way to show images on Hover in Excel.